susu se obetimi aye flag bearer anase hwan na susu se ometimi kra pe se bia obetimi aka so Dr. Naponi we ekaboma anase Bawumia ni we kikabo ebetimi aboa enti first of all oba ye beye nneoma mienu why now susu se obetimi aye Dr. Bawumia na ntoa so anase yemfa new face okay mamenya ne clear yi into the opinion poll ne be ne say yemma Dr. Bawumia na entoa so for MPP ana say new face enim foforo bi na MPP for no omumfa enko for 2028 na ekoye sa new face na eye hwan pato wuti ene na aba oba be ho adwuma enye nchi asem oba de ye ne ye record bibia ye wi a isi beba be man de nti isi mpacho munye ready question na ye busaw ne se say ni pensia ena mi bo mudin oba Facebooka ye de atoso first one Dr. Yao Osei Educhum former education minister abon homodin mo amunim de waye dada oyobia o medication ya kono kama Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ononso ayobia munyina munim de otimi yeye ne digitalization ne de now pese economy no eye ne 33 policies bi o de boaye munim yera ken ohene Acheampong let Ken be Ken munim ne dada de otimi ye ene de ontimi nye yera yaw Buama Patrick yaw Buama oba Facebook a odaso se o share papa ya o te sakofo ne kasa de papa ne kasa de pa o kasa ye nya sa mi wi a mebo ne voice ni bi a kire ena Bryan Dr. Bryan Acheampong Dr. Bryan Acheampong entrepreneur no ye be kan ho asem oyo de fo owonisika obo nipa bebre fu soldiers yi omunim ne pa ena oyo former agric minister ena yewra kwabna Acheampong ononso ye former general secretary for the MPP ena former press secretary for yewra John Ajekum Kofo inti saa nipa nsia we ena yebeye opinion polls no inti wo fra ma yenhu se we ena first of all question is say mo be pene so say Dr. Bawumia na enko ye man another chance anase yemfa new face embra for MPP for ana Dr. Bawumia anase enim foforo na enim foforo na eye hwan se anya Dr. Bawumia eye hwan but what you say into two things Dr. Bawumia or new face Dr. Bawumia or new face Dr. Bawumia anase candidate foforo but just what you say into prepare your mind sisi member sisi Nhyira 104.5 enti afi yen kwa homa no so na afi in the next 10 minutes no you are na afi atoa problem of the day no so. We are doing that because we take opinion polls monthly. Ebeguswa every month at the end of the month ebeguswa na ye na ye gada. Enti now we will study the trend. Say the bear ebe hu de ekoso. All right. Now yen kwa homa no so. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. One can say.
Ofaima,
Ofaima meet you.
Me prefer AGYAPONG. Now, but on person me busa assembly.
Yeah.
What I can say yes for baby Ofia China ne US na se for. Ombo de name be si o money so. Say in say na what say. But see me share wo dey our strategies here what dey president now so what dey see when so. That's a economy saying no.
All right, yeah, that's it. Next caller. Until I see new face, Ken. Hello, good morning.
Nana.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Joel,
Joel Baumia na new face.
Canada, Japan.
All right, Ken. Mate. Yeah, that's it. Yankwe. Next caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Nana.
Yes, I want to say.
Nana Kobi Fiyase.
Baumia on new face.
And I'm going to blow your crowd.
Onim inti to so before from. Hello, good morning.
Mr. Josu.
But when I can say.
If I can meet Hamza.
All right. Hamza meet you. Baumia na new face.
Oh, new face. Can Japan now? With me, I can't put in a boom.
All right. Ken.
Come both in Japan with me. I show me another.
All right. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Jantua.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Come on, and I am.
There be see I call NDC there we ma won kabi. NDC ni bi amfre e ma kabi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kojo.
Man ka say.
Me dey chief. You don't have bomb na se cops and palm number.
Chief meet you. Baumia na new face.
Is there dey here Baumia?
No here Baumia. Okay, Mate. All right. Mate. And to also. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What do I say?
Me from Kojo, me kaza from Koko.
Could you meet you? Baumia na new face.
Baumia ko a fine gentleman, but time my age and that you me una new face.
New face, okay. New face na nya hwan.
Dem farmer Ken Japan one educator no gatra.
Ken, Mate. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, me too, cow. Hello. Hello. Yes, sir.
Balebu akwati do sanfo.
Balebu Baumia na new face.
New face Ken Japan Omra.
Ken. All right. It was so. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nana Kojo John's way.
Accra.
Yes. Nana. I didn't shira for you na.
Onyo kesi.
You didn't cry din shira.
Right.
Enye djuma wo mo so.
Amen.
Mo tie for you.
Amen.
Oh Jesus Christ dimo. Amen.
Yeah.
Kojo busam bi.
Me say Baumia na new face.
New face ndra.
Eye hwan ya?
Canada Japan Omra.
Ken. Yeah. We you must say you be. Hello.
Nana.
Yes, sir.
Kobi Fiyase Masabe. And a epidemic me gwa na se gwa ni biom tika me ka ba omi amle na se gwa na ba kon kan.
David. Enyo no asem na America. The me no for purely academic. Nti mpɛkyɛ mo bɛsɛ na pure academic work na me no. We gather those polls ni nyinaa no because edru ba bi e be trend analysis no na etimi a guide you. Hello.
Nana.
Yeah.
Me mo chana pa you.
Mejo so.
Nana, me dey message you look at the Japan. From your phone and Panama.
Ken, yeah, that's it. Thank you, Ken. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Nana.
Yes, sir.
I'm watching you no abeja for.
Yeah, Joshua.
Nana, family jam na make a free TV.
Jam na meet you.
In a Bryan. Kwabre Japan.
Kwabre Japan. All right.
Yeah, Kwabre.
Thank you. All right. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, Nana.
Yes, sir.
Kasa free
Dunkwa meet you.
The patrol, yeah, the Baumia and the Taba, because it's in your boy.
Baumia. Okay. Mate.
That's it.
All right. And to us. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Acheampong of Acheampong.
Acheampong, Baumia or New Face?
Second day Japan. So one of you now. Again, you're
It's Ken. All right.
You're a man of integrity, man of principle, man of solicitor, man of barrister.
Mate,
you're very powerful.
Next one. Hello.
Hello, Nana.
Yes, sir. All right, meet you. Baumia and a New Face. We end this in India member because well, we interested no. In research, because we bias. In TMA, MPP for any neutral voters, any floating voters. Na yede Acheampong. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Nana.
Yes, sir.
Mike in the council.
Mike, meet you.
Nana, me call from Emma Ken.
Ken, all right. Okay. All right, that's it. Hello. Yeah. Hello, good morning.
Anna, good morning.
Yes.
Diane Masu, because I did a question.
All right, to meet you.
And I'm Friday, no. No, John Carlo, I'm halal.
Oh, okay. Oh, there to us, mammy.
And I'm also a rich neighbor.
Yeah, or
education minister, former education minister.
All right, yeah, that's it. Next.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, Johnny.
Yeah, meet you.
Can I take Japan?
Ken, all right.
Yes, sir.
Meet you. All right, Uncle. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. All right, meet you. Baumia and a New Face. Baumia. Okay. All right. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning.
Morning. Okay. Baumia. Okay. Me too. All right. Yeah. All right. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. Obekwama
Ken.
Ken. All right. All right. Hello.
Nana, good morning.
Morning.
Nana, energy na dance group.
Energy meet you.
Katie Yamonka.
Debbie.
And Ken.
All right. Hello.
Good morning, manager.
Yes, sir.
That's Ukraine Kokobla.
Okay, sir.
And new faces.
New face. If
you ever my any boy for a bit in Yaba.
Right.
Can call or say I will do you.
All right. Hello.
And this is the other for Fukuka.
Mankind is a free phone. Hello.
I was
Bequai meet you.
But your mama,
Mufama, Naponka home.
Napunka,
David.
And a mother
Adenimo, Yanfanaka, a Dutumba, me a Ken Bois, a particular Bryan and Acheampong. Oh, say Patrick Boama. Okay. All right. Hello. Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pachamika free genius.
Meet you.
Pachakuma Baumia.
Yeah. Baumia. All right.
Hello?
Yes.
President Mama Benio.
Hey, over here.
Now, what is it?
Who you now so?
Adam Nana, Nana Kodikaka, Empire now, Kosobama, Mensan Kamediana, or for any of you, Uncle.
Matia.
Of the make my can say. And Benizia Bruna, the Abrodi idea and what to a year. So be Baba $50, so a tippet to Sushin, the idea of something coming, come and cry a movie. Omo be a Baba, dear shepherd, and Mamma idea. Kebia boy, Kebia, and Emo Abruna, the Abrodi idea. Asante se no to a year ahead. Omo be a duka da obi antimi and this
Ba wo hwe wakoma mu pa wa wo hwe wakoma because minim say we dey MPP sem wum kakra. Our party na che.
Nti UP dey wo mu MPP dey UP ba na MPP.
Minim ti UP.
And you to UP.
Nti UP ba wo me aduchum Ken Boama Bryan Acheampong.
Kwa uni no nyane nsam o keka ase bom man a nka de ba wo me abaji 38%. Oni na pa abaji pa de. Acheampong so any man 19 who president and man 19 that. So but din of man 19 dey.
Nti wo pe hwan?
Tabana jampo yen nanso nenso mo keka na bom man nti
ate eyo ofa mfancy Bryan enyamba ako yate. Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Hello, yeah.
Mede Mohammed
Mohammed ONDC. Oh, they are more interested in what baby for from. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, you back pick it.
Amos
meet you. I do chumbo. Baumia na new face.
Hey, na sabe ka fata nya business ye bibia sika baumia driver ko na driver car no. Enti am fama baumia. Hey, obeti ma yama na broso.
Matimi da say aka 2 calls na ewie. Hi, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Roger.
Yes.
Patrick here.
Patrick, meet you.
I'm Tabu Shimo. Namemo Wabato. Any the Odiabana.
Yes.
Doctor, I was ready to be any or no one.
Okay. Yes. Mate. Let's pick final call. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
From you, Mr. Brass and Tibble Choir.
Me too, Kasa.
I am from Makin. Canada, Japan.
I am from Makin. I was saying, dear, see, and see, Miss Omonfa dating into my because you be running some trend analysis every month. To be an you be no. Na you be a keka boom. Na a guide do. Wow, pesa ubano. Kofi. The telling say out of numbers, you know.
Yes.
3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 13 years 21 plus 2 23.
Sure. So Nana out
20,
of
23 votes so far.
23 votes.
Right.
Me say be so free no me rejected.
Yeah, rejected. Yeah, rejected of Apia Stadium there.
Sure, any other people be no
NDC.
Knowing that they will be biased in a way. So Oshe Mr. Educhuma, Dr. Educhum. Can maintain the title no so. Or onya 3.
Out of the 23
na electoral commissioner no anka say keka bibia bom
na
me hu ne hana menya no baumia enya
5 out of course
out of na Kennedy Acheampong enya 13 Boama Patrick enya 1 Bryan wenya bi hwe na we
Acheampong
Kwabena Acheampong enso nya 1 enti se wo hwemu pa dia Kennedy atwe wo mu over almost 300% of the second run up first run up no enti wo hwe ne Dr. Baumia na se wa bo ho be miensa Baumia de no wo ya duru be mo ho miensa kra enti Kennedy Acheampong na so far nana se wo hwemu a MPP fo a omo freye no se omo nya ya nko omo hia new face nko omo mpese Baumia ebetoa so nko omo pe new face ye Kennedy Acheampong Acheampong and now it's not surprising to me since utriti na woni binumu di nkomo ne majority na no say they want new faces nti we nya nwanwa but as you've said no ye be koso na yahwe every month bia na yahwe say adwene ne sesa na say de etie no sa na eden etie kosi se bibia timi sesa see enim say going to the elections no percentages e di kan be by any bebre even with global info analytics e duru ba bi no na ensesa ye ebam eti no trend analysis ni hu hia so we are still monitoring and I can say Kennedy Acheampong Acheampong I mean on a shortcomings be in fact what me work on this show say the love for him no was strong in the party and na esa confirm on the grassroots push no and so of course with me as a son no maybe kakra and especially dealing with the emotions reaction towards no be I believe say obey a fantastic personal nkrofo be fin say party no okuramu a eyeye and Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia enso no ohwe a won the second on the tosu mienu ono nso no wakobi pay and now we're creating a lot of relationships with party ni muni ade I'm not surprised say will be as a second of option but nana ade wumni say obi anko akobia or links with the people having related to the grassroots nana na obeba 5 na obi a ono no menkan so on the content na olusu ya wo ye no ma bia na efin se party ni krase ne nsem bi o kan na ma party de lusu ye na nkamanfo adwa no now he is being held na de onu mu no na open kabum na nka na asem wo fam no he say wenya 5 in fact ekire bibi and they need to work on say ye bibi wo ha say ya ye ko elections ni mu amanfo fin si ye di agro at the end of the day 2024 elections say confirm say Nhyira FM post no na nya agudie na yedi and this is also telling them say so omo ayabobo mu di nyina obi obibi a in fact we nya bi ehwe ni onya one ni onya omu nyina wo adwumayo e kire say omu nya bibi na trend no ensesa
abusa enti so far out of 23 calls na ye pick ye no Ken Ohene AGYAPONG elidi Baumia etoso but ne de no wo form followed by Dr. Aduchu ye de ato enti ye be ho ye be trend no na ya ka de beka na ye mrafi